Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a message on Twitter. First of all, and of course, you will need a Twitter application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get started. So all you need to do first, just launch I mean Twitter, sorry. I was going to say TikTok. Then, as you can see here, at the bottom right, we have a mail icon. Just click on that. So as you can see here, we have welcome to your inbox. Drop a line, share tweets, and more with private conversation between you and other on Twitter. So if you want to send a message on Twitter, you can just here search for direct messages, maybe for people. Let's see, for example, let's see my other account, or let's just type whatever. So as you can see here, if I type whatever here, I will not find anyone because I'm not following or no one is following me on this Twitter. If I want to start a new message, all I need to do just click on this green start, I mean blue start new message, and search for the one that you want to talk with. So let's say for example you want to talk with maybe a page, just choose this second one, baby dodge, and click on next. So as you can see here, it's like the DMs of Instagram or maybe WhatsApp or whatever an application of conversation that you're using. So just type your message, maybe hi as an example, and send it. So that's how you send message on Twitter. Of course, you can create a group by choosing multiple persons by clicking here, choosing maybe a lot of persons. After clicking on next, as you can see, you will be able to send the same message to all of them. And of course, if you want just to write a message, just click on that again, search for your head or your person, user, or whatever, or just click here at the mail with the plus icon here at the bottom left again, and you will be do it at any way you want to do it. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.